Today I am going to show you how to make Aggala from leftover rice. Let's see how to do it. Subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. To make this Aggala, we need 250 grams of rice flour, half cup of scraped coconut, half cup of coconut honey, half teaspoon of pepper powder and salt to taste. For this recipe, I made rice flour from leftover rice. When you have leftover rice at home, dry them well under the sun till rice becomes very hard and then blend it to get flour. Here as the first step, we need to mix salt and coconut honey together. Then mix pepper and rice flour. Here, before mixing flour with pepper, keep a small amount of flour aside. We can use this for dusting. Now put coconut into a pan and let it dry around 2 minutes while stirring. When we do so, it evaporates the water in coconut and will help to keep Aggala 2 to 3 days more. Thereafter, add coconut honey to the pan and mix. When panipol is bubbling, switch off the flame and start adding flour. Add flour little by little and mix well with panipol. Once this is mixed well, we can start making Aggala. Use the flour that we kept aside for dusting. This is a very quick and easy recipe that anyone can make. So in the next time when you have leftover rice at home, don't throw it away. To view more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit like for this video also.